In this video, we're comparing my $200 investment between Optimus and StableFund. Which one of these investments has made me more money? It's been about 1 month now. We're going to take a look at those numbers for you, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. We're taking a look at my $200 competition between StableFund and Optimus. Don't take this as financial advice because it's absolutely not. I put in $200 in both of these projects. I've put more money afterwards, but I still wanted to track the progress of both of these investments. And to make it fair, we are keeping $200 in both of these projects. So I made a previous update video on October 8th, and back then we saw that Optimus was actually the one leading the race by about $9 over StableFund. And today I am going to show you which of these projects is currently making more money. Now, I haven't actually taken any profits out of Optimus. I'm just going to consider the value of the current tokens I hold for this experiment, and in the future, I obviously plan on taking profits. So what I need you guys to do right now is go into the comment section of this video and let me know if you think StableFund is winning or is it Optimus that's winning this race. So if I go ahead and uncover this and we take a look at the StableFund value, we can see that I've been earning that 1.5% on a daily basis. And this has literally been ongoing for the better parts of the last month that I've been invested in this. It's absolutely crazy. It's still going strong. And we can see that the total amount of money now is around $266. So my $200 initial investment, I've made about $66 on this one. And if we go check StableFund, my dashboard here, this is this investment here. Of course, there is that 3% fee when you deposit, and there is a 28 lockup period. So just be aware of that if you decide to invest in StableFund. But here it's been more than 28 days and I am actually able to withdraw my capital. Now, as I said before, I've added more money to it, and right now I'm earning about $17 per day. But for the sake of this competition, we are keeping just the stats of this investment here. Now, since most of us are invested in StableFund in the Discord, we have actually implemented some bots that are looking at the contract TVL. So we have BNB, we have BUSD, and we also have Matic. But just today, they announced they're doing a migration to another contract, a V2 migration that's supposed to happen on October 26th. So if you want a quick way to look at this TVL amount and track it without having to go through BSC scan and doing it this way, you can join the server. There's going to be a link in the description below to that Discord server. It's absolutely free and you have all of the stats there for you. Now, a huge shout out to one of our members who actually did all of this. I have no idea how to code, so a huge shout out to the doctor. He is the man and he's the one who set all of these up. Now, if we go ahead and we talk about the Optimus project, they've gone ahead and actually done a migration themselves. So now they are called OPT3. So if I change that, this is their migration. They did this for security reasons. So that has been done. And of course, it's still the same thing. You're earning 1% on a daily basis in your OPT3 tokens. So if we go ahead and uncover how many tokens I now have, with earning 1% on a daily basis, we can see I started with 142 tokens with my $200, and now that is now worth 181 tokens. And of course, you have to understand that it all depends on the price of the OPT3 token. So of course, if the price goes down, you're not going to make as much money because the rewards you get on a daily basis are in that native token. So if we take a quick look at the price of this OPT3 token, we had the migration and actually spiked all the way to $2. Obviously a lot of profit taking here, and it has been in this range ever since the V3 happened, which is awesome to see. And today it's sitting around $1.54. So going back to this spreadsheet, if I uncover this, we can see that Optimus is still in fact the one leading the race. If I actually change this to 1.4 or 1.54, we can see that the amount of Optimus tokens with my $200 I initially invested is now worth $278, meaning that I would have profited about $78. Now, I didn't actually take anything out, so I can't call these profits, but the value of the investment is up about $79. So if we take a look at my Optimus account, here is the total amount of OPT3 tokens I have. This again, I added an extra $200 after the fact, but again, for the competition purposes, we are just tracking it with a $200. Now, it's very interesting. Their revenue continues to grow. They have $2.6 million now in revenue. So their trading bots are obviously working, but we don't know more than that. Kind of the same thing with StableFund. We know they have trading bots, but we don't necessarily know exactly how they are operated and how they are making money. So just be aware of that. And of course, it's not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any of these. And another cool news about StableFund, they're actually coming out with MasterCards, probably just another way of having a fiat on-ramp and off-ramp. Not too sure if that's just promoting more people to have access to it for it to continue. Again, they seem to be doing decent. They seem to still have a very decent amount of money in the BUSD and BNB contract. October 26th is going to be an important date because they're migrating over that Matic contract. So hopefully everything goes well. But with all of that being said, that is your summary of that $200 competition. After about 3.5 weeks, Optimus is still in the lead by about $10. So we're going to take a look at this one again in a few weeks from now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.